Okay, so the next step in throwing a set of mugs, after we've wedged and weighed the clay, is to come to the wheel. I'd like to review quickly some tools that you will need and different bats that you will need for doing a set of mugs. We have two mugs that we're doing right now, so we have two of these little bats. And these are just small bats that fit on these pins here. And what that allows us to do is throw a pot on there, and when we're done with it, we can just pick it up off those pins and move it over here. You can buy lots of these, and for small projects they're great, because if we were doing a set of lots of mugs, we could just use these and lift them right off of there. Yeah, they're very handy. Some people don't like to use them. They like to throw directly on the wheel for smaller things and just slide the pot off. Myself, I like to use these. Other things we're going to need are these measuring tools. We need two of them because we need one to measure the height of our mug so that we can have it uniform with the other mug. And we need another one to measure the top of the lip of the mug. We also need a wire tool to cut the mug off the bat once we are done. This is a rib. It's just a piece of wood. They come in many different forms, shapes and sizes, but for the mug I like to use this one because it's got a right angle on it and we can get the shape of the mug as we're throwing. We also need a pin tool for when it comes time to put the handle on the mug, and also for trimming any excess clay off the top of the mug. And then these are two trimming tools for once the mug is thrown and is leather hard. We'll be using these to trim the foot on the mug. So those are the basic tools. What's called a sham, which is a small piece of leather that we'll use to smooth out the top of the mug. And we don't have one of those in the box right now, but I will go and get one and show it to you in a moment. And the next step is to get our hands dirty and start throwing some mugs. So we'll get to that in just a moment.